Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Copper Boom withdrawal. Copper Boom application which is easily available on Play Store. You can download it from Play Store. As I already download it, let's start this video and explore the Copper Boom application and to check whether the Copper Boom application give us withdrawal or not. When you start this application, Copper Boom application first time, then you get 3 lakh coins as a sign up bonus, but you amazed to know that there is no any sign up process on this application. You just only download it from Play Store and just open it. You get 3 lakh coins as a sign up bonus which you can use further in playing the game on Copper Boom application. Now let's explore this application. Here you can earn the coins only just by clicking the spin button which is available below here. You just tap the spin button and you get either coins or gift cards and many more other things. As I spin it, you see I get 59,090 coins. You just have to collect it and I just collect it. Whenever you spin on Copper Boom application, either you get coins or gift cards. Now see, this is the interface of Copper Boom application. Here is the coin section and here is the rupees section and here is the star section, and you see this is the major and grand and mini section, and below here is a section of spin, and you have to select which amount you can use in single spin. Either you have to select 20,000 coins or you can increase these coins or decrease these coins. And gear 3, that is 70%. Here how many coins you win per spin is mentioned here. You can check it. I earned 18,200 total coins as I spin on Copper Boom application. Now this is the interface of Copper Boom application. To check withdrawal, let's explore every option of Copper Boom application. Let's explore first option, and that is the option of coins. I have 3,57,290 coins. When I touch this coins is not clickable and this section is unclickable. It means you can't withdraw coins from Copper Boom application. Now when I touch this rupees or dollar sign section, then see here you have to cash out 4,000 rupees, or either you have to cash out 8,000 rupees or 16,000 rupees. But for this cash out you need a cash reward. See, please enter your withdrawal account, but I didn't get any cash reward of any money which I can withdraw from this section. When I tap this cash out, then you just see not enough coupons. It means I didn't have any coupons which gives me money, and hence I can't withdraw any of these money to my account. If we go back to main interface, then this is the section which we get after every spin. When we tap on spin, then anything we get, either we get the coins which we can't withdraw, or we get more spins, or sometimes we get gift coupons which gives us some rupees. But clearly see, here is the minimum withdrawal of 4,000 rupees and 8,000 rupees and 16,000 rupees. It clearly means this application didn't give you the gift coupons of worth rupees 4,000 and 8,000 and 60,000. When you can't get any gift coupons worth rupees 4,000, how can you withdraw from Copper Boom application? And one more thing, there is no any registration process on this application, and these all things indicate that this application is not real. You can only use this application for playing games, but if you use this application, Copper Boom application, for earning and withdraw money, then you can't withdraw it. Hopefully you understand the reality behind Copper Boom application, and I am 100% damn sure that this application didn't give you any single amount. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share it as more as you can. Thank you for watching.